How to search in chat on Zoom. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to search in chat on Zoom app. So first thing, go to Zoom. Now let's choose any conversation or a channel right here. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one, click on it, and now if you want to search in chat, all what you have to do is go here to the top corner and click on this icon right here. Now, after you click on this icon, you will find those options. Now click on search in chat option right here. And here you go. Now you can search here, search for any term, for example, hey, and here you go. If this video was helpful, please don't forget like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this video until the end.